Qualifications and duties of drug inspectors. Central government or state government appoints drug inspectors who are public servants and subordinate to controlling authority. Any person having financial interest in the import, manufacture or sale of drugs and cosmetics cannot be appointed as drug inspector. Qualifications of drug inspector. For the appointment as drug inspector, a person should be graduate in pharmacy or pharmaceutical sciences or medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from an Indian university. For inspection of the manufacture of substances in Schedule C, the person appointed as drugs inspector must have 1. At least 18 months experience in the manufacture of at least one of the substances specified in Schedule C, or 2. At least 18 months experience in the testing of at least one of the substances specified in Schedule C in an approved testing laboratory. 3. 3 years experience in the inspection of any of the substances in Schedule C during the tenure of his/her service as a drug inspector. For the purpose of inspection of shops in any specified area, any officer of the medical or public health department may be appointed as ex officio inspectors, who is registered medical practitioner or graduate in science. For the purpose of inspection of veterinary biological products, a person appointed as inspector must be graduate of veterinary sciences or medical science or pharmacy and have at least 18 months experience in the manufacture or testing of the biological products, or must be having not less than 3 years experience in the inspection of manufacture of any of substances in Schedule C. These qualifications are not applicable to the inspectors appointed before 18 October 1993. Duties of drug inspector. 1. Inspection of premises licensed for sale. 2. Inspection of premises licensed for the manufacture of drugs. 1. Inspection of premises licensed for sale. Subject to the instructions of controlling authority, following are the duties of drug inspector. 1. To inspect all the establishments licensed for the sale of drugs at least once in a year. 2. To investigate every complaint made in writing and to institute prosecution in respect of breaches of acts and rules thereunder. 3. To maintain a record of all inspections made. 4. To collect the sample and seize the stocks and submit of copies of records to controlling authorities.
5. To detain imported packages which he has reason to suspect that imported against prohibition. 6. To make such inquiries and inspection as may be necessary to detect the sale of drugs in contravention to the Act.
2. Inspection of premises licensed for the manufacture of drugs. 1. To inspect once in a year all the premises licensed for the manufacture of drugs. 2. In case of facilities manufacturing of Schedule C and C1 drugs, duty of inspector is to inspect the plant and manufacturing process along with means of standardization and testing of drugs. 3. To collect the samples of drugs being manufactured or ready in stock for checking quality. 4. To check technical qualifications of staff employed in the manufacturing. 5. To send the samples for test or analysis. 6. To check all the records and registers to be maintained under the rules, in order to satisfy himself that the provisions are being observed. Thanks for watching.